In SharpCloud version 11, we've made it easier to understand how to collaborate and share your stories. We have introduced a new license type called Collaborator, which replaces the reviewer license. With a Collaborator license, users can either have read-only permissions to view a story, or have collaborate permissions to make edits to the items in a story and use forms, making it easier for you to decide which license type you need. Those with creator licenses are power users who can create and manage stories, while users with collaborator licenses are just viewing, commenting, or updating a story. How a user interacts and what they can do with a story depends on what sharing permission was given to them. Sharing permissions in SharpCloud are not new, but have been renamed to make them easier to understand. Previously, the sharing permissions were admin, edit, and view, but these have been renamed to create, collaborate, and read-only. Let's take a look at what users with these sharing permissions can do in a story. Creator permissions allow users to develop stories to share with their team. Creators have full control and can change everything in a story, including adding views and editing the story's data and structure. Collaborator permissions provide users with a simplified interface with no story toolbar and are for exploring stories with views and filters. Collaborators can update and create items and use forms provided by creators, but cannot modify views or change data structures. Read-only permissions provide the same simplified interface as collaborate permissions, but no data can be modified by those with read-only permissions, making it safe to share your story with wider audiences. We've also addressed a few common questions. As a story creator, how will collaborators on my team be able to experience my story? Will they be able to drag an item on this view? And what menu options do they have? As a creator in version 11, it's easy to switch permissions and experience the story as a collaborator or a user with read-only permissions, just by toggling the switch at the top of your page. User permissions in SharpCloud version 11 provide the peace of mind to share your story and collaborate efficiently. Inspire collaboration, empower innovation, and elevate teamwork with SharpCloud.